If you are considering switching from Signal to Webpushr, know that you are not alone. According to builtwith.com, more than 1,000 websites have already switched from Signal to Webpushr. Hey there, my name is Nicole and I am a Customer Success Manager at Webpushr. And today I am going to explain how to transfer your push subscribers to Webpushr. Once you integrate Webpushr to your site, your previous subscribers from old push platforms, say Signal, will be automatically resubscribed to Webpushr when they revisit your site. And guess what? They won't even see an opt-in prompt. It's all done quietly behind the scenes. But here's something important. For this magic to happen, your subscribers need to visit your site at least once after you integrate Webpushr. And here's a cool part. You might notice a sudden jump in your new subscriber count on the Webpushr dashboard during the initial days. That's a great sign. It means your migration is on track. Wondering if you can just import your old subscriber data into Webpushr? Based on how Webpush API works, especially its security features across multiple browsers, that's not feasible. Let me break down the process one more time so we don't miss anything. Step 1. Make sure you have completely removed Signal from your site. Remove all old JavaScript code from your previous push service provider. If you have a WordPress site, remove any web push notification related plugins. Get Webpushr set up on your site. And lastly, test. Check the opt-in prompt, try subscribing, and send out a few notifications. Make sure everything's running smoothly. To track how your migration's doing, take a peek at our opt-in funnel report. I have added the link to this report in the description of this video. It shows you how many subscribers are actively getting migrated over in real time. And voila! You're all set with Webpushr, ready to engage your audience like never before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.